morning, guys. It is March 17th, 2026. This one here I got a call from a guy I've worked for in the past a bunch of times. He's got a toilet on the first floor. I guess it's not filling up, or from what he said on the phone there. If I remember right, that was kind of like I think it might have been a one-piece toilet in there or something, and it needed a low fill valve. I don't know if the one I have will go low enough. You know, adjust it all the way down. I don't know if it'll go that low. I might have to get an original one, or maybe take that one apart and clean out what's in there. I'm not sure yet. Well, that was the call I got yesterday, and I'm going by there this morning and see if I could find out. Maybe it's the washer. Maybe it's the shutoff down below that's bad. Sometimes the washer lets loose and gets stuck in the, the washer gets stuck in there in the shutoff valve. We'll have to check it. See if we're getting any water. Why ain't we getting water flow to it? Maybe I can fix it. We'll figure it out. Might be full of cholesterol. Too much LDL in the water pipes. Too much LDL. Might have to put it on a Lipitor. Statin drug. Go in there and go in there and give it a stent. Maybe. We'll figure out what's going on with it when I get over there, hopefully, and we'll see. This guy's an old retired college professor, teacher, old college professor. It's not filling, you said, huh? And you got it off?
Yeah, I turned it off.
Where's the boss?
The boss is, she went to...
She's at the grandkids?
No, she went to have her eyes checked once a year. And she just called. She's going to the supermarket.
Plug me in. You like retirement, yeah?
I do.
You miss all the left-wing activity over there at the college, I bet you.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's the complaint? It wasn't filling?
Nothing was happening. Made that noise.
Sounds like my marriage. Nothing was happening.
Huh?
Sounds like my marriage. Nothing was happening.
Yeah.
Had to get rid of her.
That noise, that's nice. That's better.
Plus it was just stuck. You were what?
We were leaving that morning.
I can't hear.
And we were, on Friday morning, we were going down to see the granddaughter
And it wasn't working.
in Maryland, and it wasn't working.
Or maybe it was just getting stuck. You want me to put a new one in there, or you want me to just... It's working now.
Yeah, that's the original item.
It's not the original one. I replaced that. I hate to change something that's working, you know. It might have just been got a little boogers in your nose there. Sometimes you gotta clean them boogers out, you know. They just hanging around there, starting trouble.
Yeah.
You know, and then you gotta clean out them boogers.
Yeah. So, you know, I did that. I kind of shook it up and down.
Might have been that maybe it wasn't open all the way or something on the bottom there.
So I turned it off.
It could be that that washer on the bottom is a problem too.
Then I tried it again and it made this terrible noise.
Like da 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 da.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's that washer. That washer's a problem. Then let me just change it while I'm here. So we'll put a new washer in there, and
So
just while I'm here,
that's gonna,
water off downstairs. We'll give it a. We'll replace the gasket. Well, not a big deal.
yeah, the terrible.
Well, it's like anything else, you know. Sometimes you gotta. It's like you're flipping marriage. You gotta really work at it to get it to work, right?
Yeah.
Ain't that the truth?
So we were in Maryland for the weekend, and we left early in the morning because they were predicting these tornadoes and terrible rain. And,
8 hours in the road, 8 hours in a trip flipping car with your wife. That must have been flipping misery, huh? Misery from hell? No.
oh, we do it all the time.
She's not bad, huh?
Every 3 or 4. Every 3 or 4 months.
What's your secret? Keep your mouth shut?
Yeah.
Yeah, I bet you.
Yeah, but it turned out it wasn't too bad a drive. It rained, but we missed really heavy rain. And there wasn't a lot of traffic.
I bet you that washer's gonna come. That washer's not attached. Oh, she is attached. The washer is in there. I don't think that's the problem. Got a good washer in there. I think I replaced that in the past. Well, it's good to check it, right?
Yeah.
While I'm here. That's fine. You're not having flipping dreaming this thing's not working, right? You're not having any. It's legitimately a problem, right?
Yeah.
We'll turn the water back on to check it.
Want the water back on?
Yeah, you know how to do it? Yeah, the valve. Put that handle straight down.
Yeah.
The yellow one there, right?
Yeah.
You gotta shut the faucet off in the bathroom. Shut the faucet off in the bathroom.
Yeah.
The bathroom faucet I opened downstairs. You hear me? Things seem fine. It might have been that wasn't open enough. Well, he did shut it off, he said. I don't know. See this valve right here? See this valve?
Yeah.
You could just move this up and down a little bit if you have to for it to work. But that should, if that thing's stuck. So if this thing's not working, you could just go like that and see if it. There's a little gasket in here. Sometimes it, it'll bind up or something. But everything's working fine now.
Okay.
You gotta use it or you lose it. You ever hear that saying?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.